Hi everyone. Sorry I have been absent for so long, and this is like the third time I've tried to make this video. For some reason my old camera decided to not let me upload videos, so I went out and got a new camera, so hopefully it works this time. But I have been away for so long and I am so sorry about that. So I have quite a bit of new dolls and I want to show them to you right now. I actually had a fifth doll, and she just didn't fit in my family, and I did end up selling her, but she was really cute. She was a TVL doll, and so let's start with this one. This one's the oldest one that I have, and she is made by Blythe Wrangler, and I saw her on eBay one day when I was browsing, because I'm always looking for cute dolls. And this is also a new dress. It's by Tinkerina. And I've never owned one of her dresses before, but I thought it would be cute for like Christmas pictures and stuff. But that's her, and she is an official Blythe release. I have it wrote down and listed on my Flickr, but I can't remember off the top of my head. She is adorable. She has white eyelashes, and I love that. And then I am always looking for Frankie Darling girls, and one of my friends messaged me and asked me if I wanted to adopt her. She was just sitting in storage, and she is a Frankie Darling girl, and she's wearing a really cute button arcade dress, and that is her. Her name is Izzy. I can't remember what I named the other girl right yet. And then I had this girl on layaway for a while. She is a Milky Robot, custom Simply Guava, and she has a little monster fang, if you can see, and her eyelids are, let me see if I can do this with one hand, Loch Ness Monsters, hence her name is Nessie. So that is her, and she is wearing this really cute Luxie Lou dress, which is also new, but I thought it looked really good with her hair color. That's her. And then my latest girl is my Punkaholic People Chassis Cat Custom. She is my favorite new girl that I have, and when I saw her, I was broke at the time, and I was like, oh my goodness, because I really wanted her so bad. Like, sometimes a doll just speaks to me, and so she was very nice enough to let me put her on layaway, and she came home recently, and I love her so much, and she has the best eye chips ever. I think they're Pupilina. They're really cute. And Bearish Crafter, I think, is one pair. But she's wearing a Makey Poo Poo dress, and those are new boots as well. I got them secondhand, but you can get them on Cool Cat. And a Robin Six bow. And she is adorable, and I love her so much. And I named her Piper. And with the Loch Ness Monster Custom, I also put a Wonder Frog on layaway because I used to have like 6 of them, and I sold them all and I regretted it. And she's just wearing a little Mitty Blythe outfit. It fit her, and it was all I had at the time. But I'll probably be ordering her some more clothes soon. But that's her, and I've named her Pinky. And I hope to get more of these really cute frogs. Anyway, I wanted to go ahead and get this video underway. Let's look at her. She's pretty. Beautiful. Anyway, I wanted to get this video done really quickly. And I will tell you why I have been absent lately. Because it's so exciting. I had to wait. I couldn't really share this news with anybody until it was officially done, sealed, and signed. But me and my husband Jason are officially paper pregnant again. We are in the adoption process. It has been a long haul of paperwork because after 3 years of adopting a child, you kind of have to start over again. And it had been right at 3 years since we adopted our son Dylan. And so we have a child specific in mind. That's what they call it when you have a specific child that you want to adopt. And she is the sweetest little girl. She just turned 5 years old, and she is medically fragile, which I never thought that I would get into fostering and adopting medically fragile children. But she is my daughter, you know, in my heart, and I just hope that everything goes through and that she does get to come home, because They haven't even had placement committee on her yet. And placement committee is when they, like a group of people that are interested in adopting a specific child, are put into like a pool, so to speak, and they're drawn like a name. So, but she is the sweetest little girl. She's on a feeding tube, and she has a rare chromosome disorder, and we love her to death, and we hope and pray that she gets to come home with us soon. She will be coming here November the 5th through the 10th just for respite care. We're just going to keep her for a little while for her other foster family, and so I'm very excited about that. But that's why I've been absent, because I have been going to adoption seminars and getting paperwork ready, and it's just been a long process, and we're finally done. They finally signed off on our home study, and so everything's complete and ready to go, and we're just waiting on our phone call to see if she can come home and live with us and be a part of our family. We have her room already ready, and I've been buying clothes, which I always buy clothes anyway because my other foster little girl, she wears the same size as this little girl, so I just always have a stockpile. So we're ready and we're excited, so keep us in your thoughts. And I have a ton of Blythe doll clothes. I mean, I have still been buying tons and selling things on eBay to make money to buy my Blythe doll stuff. So I'll be doing a Blythe doll clothing haul very soon. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it felt so rushed. I don't have a lot of memory on my card at the time, so. But anyway, I love you all, and sorry I've been gone so long, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.